Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. It's almost been a month since I've made a video. Actually, I was really caught up. My exams were going on. I'm basically a law student, so I was really caught up. And since 1.5 year, more than 1.5 year, exams nahi ho rahe the. And I was giving online exams. Cheating full on was going on. But now this time my exams were offline and I was completely packed. And I was studying since a month. And abhi last 25, 26 days, I've just been giving my exams and studying, but I'm finally back. And today I'll be showing you few things that I got from Kiko Milano and Elf. I got like a lot of things from both the brands, and I'm just gonna show you these two brands of makeup that I got. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have all the makeup in this bag. So the first thing I want to show you is this compact. I'm just gonna dim the light to show you the outside packaging. So this is the compact, and so I'm just gonna show you compact from inside. One second. I've been using it since few days, to be honest. Like it's been few days since I got these. So मैंने थोड़ा बहुत use किया and I really like it. So really, I love the packaging पूरा. This is how the compact looks. I really love the packaging. The packaging is really nice and ये ना ऐसे खुलता है. One second, I'm just gonna open it. ऐसे it's like this, and I'll show you 1 second. It comes with like this part where यहाँ पे it's the area where you can जहाँ पे sponge है, and it closes like this and it comes with a mirror, and the packaging is amazing and the product is also really nice. I'm gonna put the price of each product below because मुझे जिनका यहाँ पे I have the complete packaging, I'm gonna tell it on screen as well. But others which I don't remember, I'm just gonna put it down. So this compact retails for ₹2390, which is a bit pricey for a compact. Like like if you go for any drugstore makeup brand like Maybelline, like you'll get the same product for like 6, 7, or 800. But then like I really like this one. I don't buy compacts that much, but I bought this one. I really like it, so I think I'm gonna get another one once it's over. Okay, so the next thing I got is this. Acha, pehle I'm just gonna show Kiko ka sara saman. Okay, so the next thing I got from Kiko is this black Ultra Tech Plus Volume and Curl Mascara. So this is how the product looks. So I've not used this product, but my sister has, and she tells me that it gives you really really good lashes. She's just used it twice, but she really liked this one. Like like it gives you really good, like it gives you like proper false lashes. So she really likes it. And I can tell you thoda, this is in black color, and क्या कहते हैं, the price is not written. इसका box she's thrown it. I think it's for around it's more than 11-1200. It's for like around I think 15-1600, not sure. I'm gonna put the price down below. So this is the mascara I got. Another thing I got which I really like is this glitter eyeliner from Kiko. So basically I'm going to show you. It's a really cool product. Basically इसमें ना क्या है, basically it's this glitter eyeliner, but like you can use it. I'm just going to show you the product once. ये ना you can use it like a plain, just like an it has, मैं कैसे दिखाऊं, wait, I'm just gonna put it over here. So it has like a lot of glitter. You can see the glitter. So isko na you can use it simply like an eyeliner also. But the coolest part is you should use it on top of any damn eyeliner. Like you put a green colored eyeliner, you top it off, it will make proper shimmer green color ka. It will change its color. It changes its color along with the color of eyeliner you use. So suppose you put it on black, aise lagega there's shimmer on black, like glitter on black. You put it on pink, blue, any eyeliner, and it changes colors, and it looks beautiful and very sparkly and so pretty. And I'm just going to tell you the price of this product. The price of this product is ₹790, and it's completely worth it. The next thing I got from Kiko is the lip balm. It's this, I think it's the limited edition lip balm, and it's like this from inside. I've used it a bit, and I love the packaging. I love the packaging. It retails for around, I think it's for 800 or 900. Still, I'm going to mention the price down below. And I've used the other lip balms also as compared to the normal lip balms, the regular ones. Ye thoda less hydrating and moisturizing hai, but I love it for the packaging. The last product I want to show from Kiko is this lip pencil. It is it's in brown color. Iska exact shade hai. 1 second. I'm just gonna mention the shade down below. It's a brown colored lip pencil, and I'm gonna show you the shade ek baar. I love the color. It's this very dark brown color. I love such colors. I'm a fan of dark nudes. And yeah, this pencil retails for rupees 350, completely worth it, and it's very smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna start showing you the things I got from ELF. So the first thing is this lip exfoliator. It's in their cherry flavor. It's the sweet cherry lip exfoliator. It's such a cool product. 1 second, I'm gonna open it. You know, ELF, mostly why I got products from ELF was for their packaging. Their packaging is to die for. So from outside, this is the product, and like this is the lip exfoliator. It's like a baby pink color. It's so handy, it's so nice. And iske niche na, I'm unable to open this part, but it comes with a lip balm. I've seen so many YouTube videos jahan pe na they tell that it comes with this hidden part with the lip balm, and it actually opens, but mere se khul nahi raha. I'm scared to break it, so main na khol nahi rahi. But it has a lip balm also down below. The next product I got from ELF is this Bite eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful browns, like ye thoda glitterish, goldenish hai. It's again a very nude color, dark brown, and another goldenish glitter, like thoda zyada jetak golden. And this eyeshadow palette retails for rupees. Kya price hai? It's I think rupees 450. I think 450, 480 ke aaspaas hai. Not sure. I'm going to mention the price. And if I be honest with you guys, I don't know how to put eyeshadow. But like I sometimes like to put eyeshadows. But the reason I got this was that these are colors that can be used in single. So like sometimes I'm wearing something brown, and usually these are colors that go with everything. So main tabhi is type ka palette I got with good shades that can go as single colors also, and with probably everything. Lip exfoliator ka price I forgot to tell you. It's for rupees. It's rupees 650, I guess. Again, I'm gonna put the price down below. The next thing, guys, please ignore the sounds that are coming. It's my French bulldog. He's up to something. He's breaking something probably. No. Now he stopped. Okay, so the next thing I got is this clear brow and lash mascara. It's I don't need this, but this product is so cool. That is the reason I got it. Minion, no. So the is side na the brow mascara, and is side is the lash mascara. Ye wala side, and like it's basically like a clear gel bow, like for your brows, and just to give a very glossy look. And my sister used it once. I have not used it. She said it works, so I'm just gonna give it a try. But yes, it's a very reasonable product. I think it's for like 350, and like you can just give a very nice glossy effect to your brows and your lashes. So a really cool product. Guys, I was done making this video. I'm adding this clip in between. I forgot to show one product from ELF. It's their Day to Light lipstick duo. It's in their Needed Nudes. It comes in I think 3 shades. It retails for rupees 650. And another reason why, probably I have these shades already, but the reason I got this product is I just love the packaging. It is so handy. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. I don't know, I forgot to show this product. I think it was lying in my bag or in the other room. It's like this, and yahan pe the color is night, like for night time. It's this brown color. I'm gonna show you. It's this color, and love the shade. And for the daytime, it's this one. So you can wear both the shades during day and night as well. The other, love the nude, and it's very smooth. I don't think so it will last long because these are very smooth lipsticks. If you eat something or you drink something, ye hat jayenge. But again, I love the colors. It's totally worth the money, and again, so cute. The packaging is just so cute. Next thing I got from ELF is this eyebrow pencil. So this side is their brush, and this side is their pencil. and it like comes out like this, pura aise, like it's a big, मैं तोड़ ना दूँ, it's like a big pencil. And this also is very reasonable. I think it's for 350 or 400. And the shade I got is it's the darkest color. I think it's dark brown or something. It's the darkest color that I remember. The next thing which I really like, and I have it on right now also, is this lip lacquer from elf. Oh my god, this color is so good. This product retails for how much? It retails for rupees 320. It's absolutely worth it. I love the shade. I'm just gonna show you the shade. Just look at it. Oh my god, it's one of the prettiest shades I have. I love these colors. Like, you know, इस type का मेरे पास probably matte होगा कुछ ना कुछ matte में. But you know, like any gloss I have, it does not give me full color. I love it because it's so glossy and it gives you the right color, like the right brown nude that you need. Just love the color. Look at this. It's amazing. And this is probably the last product. Let me check. I think I've showed you guys everything. Yeah. So guys, that's it. These are all the things I got from Elf and Kiko. I'm gonna come up with new videos and I'm probably gonna post every second day because it's been a while since I've posted. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like any products, do buy them and do let me know if you like them. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.